We talk again about how interconnected we are around here. Often we work day in and day out with our associates, so it's easy to find someone that's extraordinary. This next candidate actually was nominated by a table games pit boss, Beatrice Garza. Bea, come on up. Bea's actually she was just reminding me that this is her 13th year here at the Soaring Eagle. Bea is a waitstaff member on the casino beverage floor, which can be it can get rough out there. I always say that food and beverage has that terrible task of making people feel good about not always winning. And front line on that is usually the beverage server. So Bea's one of our superstars. She was nominated by Tony Getz from Table Games. I've received many compliments about Beatrice. She is one of the best servers that we have. The patrons love her and comment about how friendly she is and that they never have to wait long for their drinks. I've seen patrons that have been less than nice to Beatrice, and she still responds with a friendly and cheerful attitude. I wish we had more employees like her. Keep up the good work. And as someone that's watched Bea in action, she certainly deserves every one of those accolades. Thank you so much.